Might be mistaken, but I think I found corn smuts, also known as Huitlacoche. I'm hoping I picked it at the right stage to cook it. It has an odd puffed shape and it's showing some black specks. I'll try and open it up when I get home and find out. This is definitely a different variety of corn smut than what I'm used to seeing in pictures, because the fungus, the mycelium, is in the outer husk of the corn instead of the kernels. I got rid of the cob and all that's left is the smut and the mycelium. I'll try cutting it up and hopefully I can get something palatable. As far as I know, there are no poisonous varieties of corn smut, but I'll do some research. Prepare the corn smut, the Huitlacoche, with Lebanese zucchini I harvested from my garden, and hopefully it turns out. They have different cooking times, I think, but I've seen directions for sauteing Huitlacoche. Typically put the tomatoes in and peppers all at once. So I'm assuming I can do that with just squash as well. I'm hoping I didn't add too much paprika this time, but I added some oregano, basil leaves, salt and pepper, and not much else really. Hope it turns out. At this rate, it looks like the squash and the huitlacoche is almost done cooking. I've been sauteing it on very low with extra virgin olive oil, in case I forgot to mention. I am hoping this is an edible variety of huitlacoche, but then again, I don't think there are any poisonous corn smut varieties. Everything goes well. Hopefully the huitlacoche has an earthy flavor and is not overpowered by all the spices. Well, take a bite and try it. The corn smut definitely had a mild earthiness to it, so I'm guessing I prepared it properly. Oh well, I'll post this on BitChute, and if you like, you can subscribe. Thanks for watching.